are going anyway. Herb Coffin of Barrington is getting on a plane today, headed for a clinic in Poland. He's hoping the so-called liberation therapy will give him a new lease on life.
If I can get some mobility back on my left side, if I can get rid of the headaches, if I can get rid of the muscle spasms, get some balance back, and basically if I can get, like the use of my left hand back at the very least. It's all going to be good.
They're not alone. This weekend at St. Mary's University, Krista Reed Brownlow is trying to raise money so her mother can travel to a clinic in New York in the new year. One of many auctions and other fundraisers that have popped up across the province for Nova Scotians with MS.
The fundraiser is a Diva Dash, which is 50-meter and 100-meter sprints in high heel shoes, similar to these here.
We decided we should get some shoes signed, and it kind of just grew from there.
A little fun to help someone with a painful disease get a treatment that has become increasingly controversial. Even Dr. Paolo Zamboni, the Italian doctor who championed the procedure as a way to treat MS, is warning patients. He's quoted as telling an MS conference in Sweden that people should not go ahead with surgery unless it's part of a clinical trial.
And these ones are signed by the 2010 New York Yankees. Right here is Derek Jeter.
Reed Brownlow says the doctor's comments weigh on her mind, but so does seeing her mother's daily battle with the disease.
There's a big responsibility. It's a medical treatment, of course. I mean, I'm not a medical professional, so of course it does. But we've also seen such great outcomes so far, even with friends that we know, that we just ready to go for it.
Take a little trip, you see a few sights, you have some fun, you look around, and you get this done. And if it works, it's fine. If it don't, well, at the very least, you got a trip out of it.
It's a trip that will end when Coffin returns later this month. Bob Murphy, CBC News, Halifax. A terrifying time turned into a special experience for a young boy today, thanks to some very caring firefighters.